to Surat, and I is the Nonatokon, right?
Oh,
You can call me U. You can call me
oh
U.
yes. Oh, sorry.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, you
So
can call me.
thanks for joining this video call. And just first of all, I want to clear about some of the things that already I have written. So Surat, you are for the Korea, right? Or Thai? Your voice is
Thailand.
good.
From Thai.
Both are Thailand.
Thai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
And
my team. Sulat is leader ever lead about this project, so we want to know about the details, more detail about this project.
okay, so for the Korea, who will be handling?
Yes. But like I told you just now, Korea would not be able to have a meeting today.
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
So yeah. So Fitri, can you tell me that regarding the for the Thai that how much hours they can commit so that I can write down. So even I have to send to my management also that this many hours they can finish within the timeline. So we are having the timeline up to 15th of February, and if we can start work as early as possible. So first of all, your resources has to give an exam. That will be the guidelines that I guess I have sent the mail, one of the email ID I have got. So I have sent to them.
Yeah,
So
you
unless
can.
sorry.
Yeah, you can actually send to them, and then I already sent them on the guidelines and the tests. So
Okay.
you just need to tell me how many hours that they need to finishing by
So
15th of February. But 20th, 15, I think
15th
it's
of February.
too much for them to finish it because it's just started. And they need to have a training on the application that the one that you give.
So we do have 300 hours for the Korea for the transcription. So will they able to do within the 15th February the deadline?
No, cannot.
Okay. So how many hours they can commit then?
What about Thailand?
Yeah, for the Thailand for 300 hours. From how many hours they can commit?
How about you? Oh,
You mean you need 300 hour
Yeah,
by
exactly.
15 February, right?
Exactly. That will be on
Really?
the per hour audio file. Yeah, exactly.
You mean after transcript, complete 100% transcript?
Yeah.
Wow.
no, they cannot because it's too soon.
Yeah.
So hours
To
they
be
can
honest.
commit.
You can give them 50 hours first.
Okay.
Right, Surat?
So
Yeah.
50
Yeah.
hours. So in how many days they can complete this 50 hours?
Yeah, that should be okay.
So in 50 hours, so if you take 50 hours, right? So in how many days you can complete?
I would like to check some details for this 50 hour. Is it possible to, as I read your guideline, there are two kinds of recording, right? The first is about calling. The second one I see it is about we can record from the media, right?
But already we provide you a audio file to you, and
Oh, okay.
so you
Audio file will be
that one.
provided by your side. We just put a letter or those kind of transcript.
Yeah. So
Correct.
already we will provide you an audio file, and from that audio file, your team has to transcript.
So it should be okay with 15 hours.
Yes.
Okay. So that 50 hours. So first of all, I should tell you that there will be a TAT, means turnaround time. Suppose let's say if your one resources are taking 1 hour audio file, that has to be finished within 72 hours. If he or she doesn't complete that file, so we will not provide you any work.
Yeah. Understand?
Okay.
1
Yes.
hour of audio has to finish within 72 hours, like normal.
72 hours.
72 hours means 3 days. Yeah, script when it's like 3 days means you are not active. You know? Okay.
You mean I have to finish 1 hour recording by 72 hours?
Correct.
And send you the finished one, right?
Yeah.
And also we require 98% accuracy on that for the quality. So what means, let's say suppose we are providing some quality check to the another vendors also. So what is happening that some vendors are telling that we provide you 99% accuracy, but even though after getting a quality check, they used to provide only 85% of quality. So that will be not be acceptable.
Correct. Accuracy more than 85%, right?
No, more than 98% we require.
More
Because
than 98%.
yeah, because this is for the machine learning, and you know very well that how nowadays machine learning are in great boom.
Okay. So the audio will be sent like 50 hours.
No,
That's
you will
only in
tell.
one time or sent by like
No,
hour
no,
by hour.
no. First of all, you should tell me about the resources, that how many resources will be working. So according to the resources, we will make them user ID and password, and we will send you a mail. And then after, suppose let's say your resources are 20, right? So first 20 hours will be given by us for per audio file per hour.
Okay. Once, as of now, we cannot confirm the quantity of the resource, but Mr. Wu, we have to write some kind like registration for each one, right? And send an email. Then
Can you repeat again? Sorry. Can you repeat it again?
We have to, all of our resources have to some kind like registration, right? We have some kind of password or something like this.
Correct.
And then you will send us the audio, right? To resource directly.
They will give directly to a person that need to the one that you already the resources. Let's say you have 10 people right now, so you give the name and the list and the email to me. Okay, so Prem will open the ID for them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then the audio will be sent directly to the resource, right?
To use that ID, so they can open the software to use the ID, and they will receive one audio 1 hour.
Okay. And that 1 hour need to be complete by 72 hours.
Correct.
Exactly.
Okay. I get it,
Suppose let's say if it will be more than 1 hour, so the tag will be taken care by us. So let's say suppose if there will be a 2-hour audio file you got, right? So the tag will be of 140 hours.
I see.
Okay.
So at first, do we have the test before we are going to like commercial batch?
Exactly. So first of all, you will be giving a test for a guideline test, and then after we will provide you one 3 minutes audio file in the Korean audio file, and the transcriptor has to write.
Thailand. This is Thailand, Prem.
Yeah, Thailand only. Thailand. Yeah. We will provide them a 3 minutes audio. Oh, sorry. Thai file. Thai audio.
That's fine. Okay. But to get the test, we have to get the ID first anyway, right?
No, first of all, they have to provide a taste. In the taste, if they score more than 90%, then they will eligible for writing the transcription.
Surat is very easy, the test. The answer is all in the guideline. Don't worry. Like I'm
Okay.
waiting for Prem to give me the link, or maybe you
Yes.
can send direct to them. Prem,
Yeah, I will send directly to them.
okay?
So you have to give me an Excel, and in Excel, suppose let's say you are providing me a 10 list. So on the same day, I will send them a link to write the test.
Yeah, they can. They will give shortly soon. I mean, no, you will give them shortly and soon because as you've seen that on the WhatsApp, it's already stated on their emails. So you can just give the guidelines and the test to them. So they can do it quickly.
Yeah, because we have to start from tomorrow or day after tomorrow once they are ready, and we can provide them a training means whenever they are required. But I suggest that if they are in a bulk, let's say suppose the 10 resources are there for the Thai, right? So all the 10 people can sit at means with the laptops at the same time. So that will be easy for us as well as for them, because for the single one we can provide the training, but it will take a time also.
Ah, I understand. That means you want them to be together.
Yeah, exactly. So that will be group.
Okay. Okay, once if they are already given the test, when they have the audio file receive,
uh, Once they are providing the test, so we'll providing them a guideline. On the next day or on the same day, we'll provide them a file.
okay. All right.
So let's say suppose we will be providing a one audio file also, test sample, that we call for the 3 minutes Thai file. So first of all, that resources has to type in a Thai language, and we will give them for the quality check. So once the quality check will do all of those things, means checking, and if it goes correctly, then we can provide on the immediate basis. But they have to submit it first on the same day. Then only it is possible from the next day that we can have a look on that, and 1 day time or 2 day times they have to give us,
Okay.
and then after we can provide them a file.
Oh,
Okay.
excuse me. One more question, please. The language that we have to input to the program in audio is Thai language, right?
Thai to Thai.
Thai to Thai. Thai to Thai.
Very
Sorry, I just
easy.
I just think about my last our last project because we got some pain point, to be honest. We have to like record English to English, but we don't
Thai,
speak
English
English normally,
Thai.
right? So
Correct.
English it English to English. Thai people speak English and we
Yes.
can type in English.
Yes.
But this project is Thai to Thai, right?
Yes. You
Yeah.
have to talk like English.
So it should be okay. We just worry about how long we would like
Yeah, so
the
worry about the
time.
language.
Okay.
It's
So
easy.
you don't have to worry.
You
Okay.
will get a recording of people talking in Thai, like a movie,
Okay.
maybe, like a
It's sometimes
If
yeah.
you want the sample, we can
karaoke,
provide you.
right?
If you want the sample, we can
Okay.
provide you also.
Okay, got it.
Okay, okay.
But you have to share me your email